The most effective storytelling layouts help viewers move through information without effort. Today, how to create visual narrative compositions. Open Canva and create a 1080 by 1080 square canvas. Begin with a soft gray background and apply a subtle gradient for depth. Insert 5 rectangular frames and arrange them in a flowing sequence across the canvas. Upload your images and place them into each frame, adjusting crops carefully so the story develops naturally. Increase the size of the middle frame slightly to establish hierarchy and focus. Add thin connecting lines between the frames and reduce their opacity to keep them understated. Apply soft